all here. To see the change, you need your eyes open. Dream less. Do more.
मैच खत्म होने से पहले जीतने की पूरी कोशिश करो। भागो, दौड़ो, खेलो, लड़ो, सब कुछ। पर एक बार मैच खत्म हो जाए, ये मत सोचो कि तुम हारे या जीते, बल्कि अपने आप से ये पूछो कि डिड आई गिव इट माई वेरी बेस्ट और नॉट? और अगर तुम्हारा जवाब हाँ है, then you're a winner.
It's a tragedy for people who are living in constant state of comparison, which is what I try and teach my kids, that you should be proud of the fact that you're giving your best. That's all you ever need to do. Are you giving your best? मैं उनको पूछता, I don't ask them whether you came first, second or third or last. I don't care. Right. And I genuinely don't care. But I want to ask him, did you put in every single ounce of your blood, sweat, everything? Did you put everything in it? Right. You try your best. Then if the answer is yes, yeah, fine. That's all you have to do. और क्या करने का लगे? और क्या कर सकते हो तुम लोग? और कुछ कर सकते हो क्या?
Part 1. The basics and introduction.
Is having a problem of time. Palkan, we all have that problem, I think. Not just you, but me and my friends and people at work and men, women, all of us have that problem. The thing is that we have to take out the time. There's no magic wand, there's no magic tip that I can give you on that. We have to take out time, but I think what I will say is that you don't have to take out much time. You know, you take out like even 15 minutes a day, but you do that consistently. I promise you, you will feel much, much better. So do that. 15 minutes a day, that's all it takes. Just do the simplest things which we know is right, and don't do the simplest things which we know are wrong. So don't eat too much. Actually, I to avoid completely. Don't have anything fried. Remember to hydrate yourself. So have lots of water in the day. Don't have anything fried. Don't eat too much before you sleep at night. Go to the gym for at least 30 minutes a day, you know, and combine your exercises between cardiovascular, which is, you know, run or sweat, get your heart rate up. And weight training is also something that really is an amazing thing. So that, and what else? Educate yourself. Educate yourself. If you're interested in being healthy, read about it. You know, get more information, and that will help you stay inspired also. So
fitness mantra. मेरे ख्याल से तो देखो भैया, सब जानते हैं कि क्या अच्छा है, बुरा है, सबको मालूम है, लेकिन अगर मैं फिर भी अगर कुछ कहूँ तो मैं ये बोलूँगा कि करिए. Just do, don't think. अगर आपके पास 10 मिनट भी हो तो करिए. मेरे पास कभी कभी दिन में दिन का जो काम है वो ख़त्म होने के बाद I get about 15 minutes free before I sleep. So I work out for the 15 minutes also, and it is enough. It is a myth that you need to do for 1 hour and 2 hours and all of that. अगर आपके पास जो भी टाइम है, whatever you do will help you. So the biggest mantra I can give you is this, that even if you can take out 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day, work out.
Part 2. What to do when you don't feel like it.
सब जानते हैं कि what is good and what is bad for you. They just not able to be consistent. I also go through that. कभी-कभी I'm very consistent, कभी-कभी I let go. But what is important is that you keep trying to get back to the consistency. सबके साथ होता है. We all get committed for a time and then let go, and then so actually the mantra or the secret is consistency. To achieve that is all you need.
this is the one thing that I think is, like, if you just do this one thing, it'll sort out like half your problems. Just to turn up. I mean, on the days when I don't want to work out, I say, okay, I'm going to get to the gym.
And spend that time.
No. and then I'll decide if I don't want to work out, I'll come back. But I'll make up my mind once I reach the gym.
So that is your commitment.
That's it. That's all you have to do, and trust me, you will have the best workout on the day that you think that that you don't want to work out. And you'll get there because once you're in the gym, you'll say, "Chal, I'll do one set," and then your mind changes and you end up having the best workout ever. And that's happened in my life multiple times. Millions of such occasions, millions of them. And time and again, because I have experience, I know that, okay, I don't feel like going to the gym. I'm not going to sit here and try and change my mind and work my self through my thoughts, because that's impossible. I will not change my mind. I will not work out, but I will go to the gym and come back. So I will go to my gym and stand outside it, maybe take a step inside, and then suddenly your mind changes and you say, come on, let's just do something. I'll do 10 minutes. I don't generally skip my workout because I don't feel like. In fact, when I don't feel like, I go to the gym. I land up there, and then, the exercising makes me feel better.
Part 3. You might be asking, what about the diet?
Caution, do the simplest things, man. When you see something that you know is bad for you, don't eat it. And when you see things which are good for you, which you've heard, like vegetables and food which is not fried and stuff like that. So we all know what is good and what is bad.
बहुत सिंपल है मेरा. 80 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन.
80 ग्राम
ऑफ प्रोटीन, जो एग वाइट्स हो सकते हैं, चिकन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, और बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स जैसे कि ब्रोकली, एस्पैरागस, पेपर्स, रेड पेपर, येलो पेपर, और कभी-कभी स्प्राउट्स. हाँ, तो ये प्रोटीन और fibrous carbs. पूरा दिन I eat this.
Sometimes when I'm disciplined, I follow a certain kind of diet, which is maybe I wake up and I have 6 egg whites and some avocado with that. And after that, my next 4 meals is a set meal which I have in a box, which has got 70 grams of protein and some salad, veggies if at all, and I keep tweaking things depending on my weighing scale, depending on the way I am looking. So that's one diet of my disciplined phase. My favorite fruits are banana, mango when it's in season, apple, what else? Watermelon. Diet is I think of primary importance. There is nothing more important than the diet, not even the exercise. Because diet is where the mental gym comes in, the discipline comes in, and that is that's a skill that one needs to practice and get better at every single day. But I'm also very, very charged when I am feeling great with lesser food. I feel great when I eat less. And I've experienced that. And because I've experienced that, I know when to put the brakes on. I know when it's getting too much. I'm always aware of how much food I'm ingesting. So yes, there are times when I just let go. What was your diet and workout like when you were trying to reduce body fat? Okay, I went off carbs completely. I used to have only fibrous carbs. I used to have about 80 grams of protein about 5 times a day with broccoli and other vegetables, and I used to have maybe some sprouts. So it was very fixed, and you do that for about 8 weeks. And I used to lose exactly 1 kilo per week was the target. And to do that, you have to weigh yourself every single morning to make sure you're going down by like maybe 0.1 or 0.2 kilos every single day. If not, you have to then readjust your diet. So, I mean, briefly, that's what I used to do.
Meal timing.
Again, fix नहीं है. 3 घंटे में मैं खाता रहता हूँ. Every 3 hours. So morning 9 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
तो खाने में क्या मतलब?
I will soon be uploading the whole diet and workout plan. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel.